Hey guys, let's talk about the Fire HD10 factory reset. If you want to reset it, there are two ways to do it. The first one is the soft reset. You just need to come here to the settings. If you have access to this settings menu, just come down and look here for device options. And here you're gonna find this reset to factory default, right? Just tap on it and hit here reset and you're good to go. But if you don't have access to this menu, or if you lost your password or something like this, you can just do the hard reset. So you're going to use the buttons here. There's the power button, volume down and volume up. You can just identify here by pressing, you see here, volume down and volume up. Just find them and you're gonna do the reset by pressing them. And depending on the model that you have, you're gonna press power button plus the volume down. In different model or firmware, you're gonna use the power button and power up, right? So let's just turn it off first. Just press here and turn it off. You see here that I can just power it off, wait for it to turn down, and then you're gonna use here, in my case, I'm gonna test first the power and volume down. If it doesn't work, you can do this with the volume up, right? So just press here, volume down, keep holding it, and just press the power button, hold both of them together, and wait for the logo to appear, and then you let it go, right? You should get to the reset menu. If it doesn't work, then you just need to do the opposite and try the other button here, which is the volume up. And depending on the model that I have, is gonna change here the way it works, right? It's not working for this one, you see, I don't see any reset button here and in reset menu. So I'm just going to power it off again and try one more time, this time with the volume up, okay? So this model is the 2025 volume up and then the power button. When I see the logo, I let them go. There we go. I let both of them go. And wait for the menu to show here the reset options. There we go. It's working for me now. And you see here that I have the reboot system now, and I have an option to wipe data, factory reset. That's the one to go. So I just need to use the buttons here to navigate to this. And there we go, wipe data, factory reset. Okay, let me just approach here so you see better. And then I just confirm by pressing the power button to confirm. Go down again with the volume button here, factory data reset. Just press it and wait for it to reset. So super simple. And here you see the information, what it's doing right now. It's wiping the data, formatting the data, the cache and everything else, right? There we go. Now it's ready to reboot, right? Just need to select here reboot after the reset and wait for it to come up. And it's going to start fresh and you can do the setup all over again. So see the Amazon logo here. Here comes the Fire logo and it's going to start fresh. So you can select your language and do the setup all over again. There we go, here you see the screen for the setup and you're good to go. So that's the way you can reset the Fire HD10 to the factory default settings. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.